Let's get it. Hey boos, welcome back to the channel. I don't know if I should say welcome back to the channel or should I be welcoming myself back, because I'm the one who disappeared on you guys. But first off, let's get this introduction correctly. Okay, let's get it correctly. First off, happy new year. We are in year 2022. That sounds funny, 2022. It's a lot of twos, but yes, happy new year, new beginnings, new journeys every single day, like a fresh start. So I'm excited for this year. I'm excited that you guys have voted on the upload schedule. So the upload schedule is Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday. And then you guys also voted that you wanted vlogs back onto this channel instead of the vlog channel that I had, that I feel like it doesn't really get that many like interactions with it. Like, I feel like this is like my main like channel that you guys interact on. So I'm still debating if I'm gonna actually bring the vlogs on here or if I'm gonna leave them over there. I'm still confused. Like, it's just up in the air on what I want to do with that. And as for like upload time, I don't have an upload time. So just make sure your notification bell is clicked so that way you guys get notified when I do upload a video. But at least you guys would know the actual day that the video is supposed to be uploaded. So I'm gonna try my best to stay on schedule, okay? And I didn't even properly introduce myself. I see I definitely got a lot more subscribers since I've been MIA. So I wanna first off say hello, welcome to the channel. I am Nisha for those who are new, and then for those who already been here, how y'all doing? Hey boo, how was your New Year's? Corona got to me, so that was the main reason why I was MIA. She hit me pretty hard, and she hit me and my family pretty hard, so we had to quarantine and we were just out of it. So that's how I brought my New Year's in, with Miss Rona. Yes, Miss Ron, okay? But no one was admitted in the hospital, so that is a blessing. We're all good, we're all healthy still, so I am very appreciative of that. You know, Miss Rona, she hitting hard, I feel like, these past weeks, so be careful as much as possible. I felt like I did the best that I possibly could. My daughter actually caught it and gave it to us, and I believe she caught it from my mother. Yes, my mother gave it to us. So it happens, okay? But we're all good. And I appreciate those who have been supporting the old content, the old videos, hitting my inbox up, especially on Instagram, checking up on me. Thank you guys so much. You guys are so sweet. I'm fine. I just had to recover from Miss Rona, but we all good. Everything is back and flowing. So we are doing this makeup look that you guys see right here. It's a beautiful blue smoky eye. I don't know what it is, but I've just been into like blue lately, so I gotta get it out of my system because I'm obsessed with it right now. So y'all gonna see a few blue looks. You know, I'm gonna throw a couple other colors, but blue is just in my system right now. So yes. And another thing I'm going to be doing on this channel when it comes to makeup tutorials, like I'm going to be doing a lot more makeup tutorials, because that of course is your favorite on here. But your girl bought over 100, and I'm not even exaggerating, I bought over 100 new palettes last year. We're not doing that this year at all. Like, I'm gonna still try to buy like new releases, palettes, stuff like that, but I'm gonna have more of a self-control when it comes to that, because last year I was just buying palettes just to be buying it, just to have a content video on that palette. And it didn't make sense because I bought a lot of palettes that I know I personally did not like and that I probably will never use again. So I'm forcing myself to use every palette in my collection. Yes, y'all heard me, every single palette in my collection. So that is roughly over, I want to say 200, but I think it's like roughly like 180 of different palettes. Yes, that's a lot of palettes. Damn. But yeah, we're gonna get through them. I want to do at least about 2 to 3 looks for each palette before this year's over with. And if I don't touch down on that many looks on that particular palette, then that palette is going in the trash. So yeah, so the first palette that we're going to be bringing back for 2022, I am bringing one of my favorite palettes from Miss Yolanda, Makeup by Yolanda. I have two favorite palettes from her that I'm just obsessed with. I'm pretty sure you guys can predict what the next palette is going to be, but this one I really love it. I love the packaging, and I love how big the eyeshadows are in this palette. Like, look at that. Like, these are some nice sizes of pan eyeshadows. And the formula, if y'all haven't tried a Yolanda palette, the formula, her quality is absolutely amazing, and she always has a good sale. So I always say sign up for the newsletter, so that way you guys will get notified when she do have sales. Because when she has a sale, catch it, run to it, get as many palettes as possible from her, because her quality is absolutely amazing. So I don't have to sit here and run my mouth about her palette and how good it is. You guys are going to pretty much see what it do on my eyes. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this makeup look, then of course keep on watching. It feels so good to be back, you guys. I've missed you guys so much, and I hope you guys feel the same way. Like, I hope the feelings are mutual, because I ain't going nowhere. I'm back, okay? Corona got me, but we back, okay? So let's jump right into this makeup look. I'm gonna start off with this nude color. I'm gonna put this right underneath my eyebrow. Y'all know I like to set my eyebrow or brow bone. And then on my eyelid, I do have on my e.l.f. primer, and then my Juvia eye prep shade number 2. Alright, so I'm going to be going in with my Jamrock Universal palette by Makeup by Yolanda. Beautiful palette, neutrals and color combined in this. So today we're doing a blue look, as you guys probably seen from the intro. I'm going to start off with this color here. It's a nice orange color. I'm just going to pack this color right in my crease. I don't feel like I have a good crease brush for this, but I'm going to make this brush work. So I'm going to add a little bit more of like definition in my crease. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with this matte brown. I think this is like the chocolate's deepest brown in this palette. This is just going to give the crease more definition. I know the colors look very similar, but you can still see the separation of them together. Right, so crease is looking nice. So now I'm going to pop a beautiful blue color on the lid. I'm just debating on what blue I want to use. I didn't think that part through. Okay, so there's two pretty blues in here. I want to finger swatch them. Ooh, look at that dark blue, girl. Ooh, but I like that. Look how pigmented these eyeshadows are, you guys. Oh my gosh, I thought that was gonna make the decision a little bit more easier, but it's definitely did not. So oh, that looks pretty. Ooh, which one do I do? I think I'm gonna lean towards the dark one. And I'm just applying this eyeshadow on my eyelid dry. So I'm not using any like setting spray, although I am tempted to do so though. And I am going to go a little bit past my crease, just a little bit, so that it makes the blending a lot more smoother. This blue is such a vibrant blue, being that I only use this dry. So I definitely want to intensify my crease just a little bit. So I'm going to go in with a black, which is this black color right here. Take very little of this eyeshadow and we're going to tap it and then slowly bring this in the outer part of the crease. I just want to deepen it up just a little bit. All right, so I'm gonna go in with a little bit of some liner, which is my e.l.f. liner. I'm gonna apply a very thin liner. All right, so I'm gonna quickly clean up my liner and then do the rest of my face off camera and come right back to finish up the eyes. Okay, so the rest of my face is on. I'm gonna go back in now with the palette and I'm gonna take that, I think I'm gonna take that brown color and I'm gonna put it on my bottom lash line. I was debating if I was gonna do the blue or not. So I wanna see how this looks first and then I'll make my final decision. All right, I need some inner popper bling bling. I'm gonna go in with my lash glue. I like for it to get a little bit tacky to where it's like almost semi-dry. And then I'm gonna go in with this pretty white color. It's like a white silver color. Okay, so I took a little bit of my ColourPop pencil and put it in my waterline. It did not give me the blue I was leaning towards, so I'm gonna take a little bit of that same blue eyeshadow that I have on my lid. I'm gonna take some kind of, I don't know what to call this, and I'm just gonna place that right in the waterline. And I'm being very gentle because I don't want this to completely fall and shatter all inside my eyelid. All right, so I think I want to do some more blending on the eyes. I'm not 100% sold on the eyes, but the lashes will just make everything better. But anywho, moving on to my lips, I definitely want to do a brown lip with this combo. So I do have two lip products available. Oh, that looks really pretty. I think it's going to be too close to my skin complexion. So we're going to go in with Miss Chocolate. So while this is drying on my lips, I'm going to move on to my blush really quick. I'm going to go in with a product that's like literally right here on my desk, which is my NYX Blush. So I'm going to add a very little of this color onto my cheeks. And then I'm going to do a little bit of highlighting with my BECCA highlighter. If I can get it open. Boom, bam, thank you, ma'am. Alright, I got a bump here. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is pretty much the look. I'm going to clean up my lips, just make it more, you know, more precise. And then I'm going to pop on some lashes, and y'all, this whole little basic look is going to transition to a beautiful glamour look. So, alright you guys, so this completes the look. I really do hope you guys liked the end result. I told you, if you're ever questioning about a makeup look, the moment you put on them lashes, baby, like what were we complaining about? What were we complaining about? But anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed today's makeup tutorial. Leave me your feedback down at the bottom. Let me know how you feel about this look. And of course, if you guys happen to recreate this look, try it out, do your own little spin on it, please tag me on whatever social media that you're following me on, whether that's Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat. Tag your girl. I would definitely love to see y'all recreations, so that way I can repost them as well. So make sure you guys do that. And of course, I'll see you guys on the new upload schedule: Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, 4 videos a week. And I'm just trying to figure out if I'm gonna still do vlogs on this channel, or if I'm just gonna keep them on my vlog channel. And if I do bring them on this channel, what day am I gonna bring it, or am I gonna add another upload day? I don't know, like my brain is just like everywhere. Like I can't decide on what I want to do. It's just like, it's just split right in the middle. But we're gonna get it together. We're gonna figure it out by the end of this week. So yeah, but anywho, you guys have a beautiful day. Stay blessed, stay amazing, and I'll see you guys Wednesday. Bye.